In this session, I am going to discuss how to calculate packing efficiency and density of a crystal. Packing efficiency is the percentage of the total space occupied by the particles. And this packing efficiency can be calculated by using the following formula. That is, packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by the spheres in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell. Let us know how to calculate packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. Let the edge length or side of the cube as small a and the radius of each particle as small r, then a becomes is equal to 2r. Total volume of the simple cubic unit cell is equal to a cube, which is equal to 2r whole to the power cube is equal to 8r cube. The number of atoms per unit cell in simple cube is 1. Hence, the volume of one atom in the simple cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to volume of one atom in simple cube into 100 divided by total volume of simple cubic unit cell. On substituting the values, we get packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice as 52.4%, and vacant space in simple cube can be calculated by subtracting packing efficiency value in 100, that is 100 minus 52.4 is equal to 47.6%. So the packing fraction in simple cube is 0.524, whereas vacant space is 0.476. Let us know how to calculate packing efficiency in body-centered cubic lattice or BCC structure. Let the edge length or side of the cube as small a and the radius of each particle as small r. On applying Pythagoras theorem, in triangle EFD, b square is equal to a square plus a square is equal to 2a square, and hence b becomes is equal to root 2a. In triangle AFD, c square is equal to a square plus b square is equal to a square plus 2a square is equal to 3a square, and hence c becomes equal to root 3a. The length of the body diagonal, that is c, is equal to 4r. Hence root 3a is equal to 4r. Then a becomes is equal to 4r divided by root 3. Total volume of the body-centered cubic unit cell is equal to a cube is equal to 4r divided by root 3 whole to the power cube is equal to 64r cube divided by 3 root 3. The number of atoms per unit cell in the body-centered cube is 2. Hence, the volume of 2 atoms in body-centered cube is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 8 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to volume of 2 atoms in body-centered cube into 100 divided by total volume of body-centered cubic unit cell. After substituting the values, we get packing efficiency in BCC as 68%, and vacant space in BCC structure is equal to 100 minus 68, that is equal to 32%. So, the packing fraction in BCC structure is 0.68, whereas vacant space is 0.32. Let us know how to calculate packing efficiency in face-centered cubic lattice, that is FCC, and also in HCP and CCP. Let the edge length or side of the cube as small a and the radius of each particle as small r. On applying Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to B square, which is equal to BC square plus AB square is equal to A square plus A square is equal to 2A square, or B becomes equal to root 2A. B is equal to 4R is equal to root 2A, or A becomes is equal to 4R divided by root 2. which is also equal to 2 root 2 r. Then A becomes is equal to 2 root 2 r. Total volume of the face centered cubic unit cell is equal to A cube is equal to 2 root 2 r whole to the power cube, which becomes equal to 16 root 2 r cube. The number of atoms per unit cell in face centered cube is 4. Hence, the volume of 4 atoms in the face centered cube is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 16 divided by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, packing efficiency is equal to volume of 4 atoms in face centered cube into 100 divided by total volume of face centered cubic unit cell. On substituting the values, we get packing efficiency in FCC as 74%, and the vacant space in FCC structure is equal to 100 minus 74, that is 26%. So the packing fraction in FCC structure is 0.74 and the vacant space is 0.26. Fraction of unoccupied space decreases in the following order. Simple cube is having highest unoccupied space and FCC is having least unoccupied space. But the decreasing order of packing efficiency is the reverse. That is, FCC or CCP or HCP is having highest packing efficiency and simple cube is having lowest packing efficiency. Thus, CCP and HCP structures have maximum packing efficiency. Now let us know how to calculate density of the unit cell in a cubic crystal. The density of a crystal can be calculated by using the following formula, that is density of the unit cell, that is small d is equal to mass of unit cell, that is Z into m, divided by volume of the unit cell, that is A cube. D is equal to Zm divided by A cube. D is also equal to Z into capital M divided by A cube into Na, because small m is equal to capital M divided by Na. Here mass of the unit cell is equal to number of atoms per unit cell, that is Z into mass of each atom, that is small m. Molar mass of the solid or crystal is equal to capital M. Na is the Avogadro's number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. By using this formula, we can calculate density of a unit cell.